Alright, so this is how to posterize your image in Pixlr. So what you want to do is you want to first find the photo that you're going to be using, and it usually helps to find one where you have a good image. So I'll just use this one. So I'm going to save my image onto my computer. And hey Skylar. Oh, hold on. 1 second. It's okay. It's for somebody. Okay, so you're gonna save your whatever into this thing. Okay, I'm saving it to pictures, yada yada yada. And then once I have that saved in there, I'm gonna go to Pixlr, Pixlr.com, Pixlr.com, and you're gonna open your image through the program. It's very slow right now because I have too many tabs open. Please hurry up. Okay. Still taking forever. Yes, I do. Okay. Yeah, sure, whatever. Oh my god. I should have planned this video out better. I don't care, just save it already and go away. Alright, open image from computer, and then find your picture. I hope I can find mine right away. Where are you? Oh, I'm just gonna use this girl because she's already here. Alright, so here's your picture, and then the first thing you want to do is you go to filter, adjustments, and then you're going to go to desaturate to get rid of all the color, and then if you want, you can change the brightness and contrast if it's too light or it's too dark. Do this thing right here, whatever looks good, bam, and then go down to posterize, and then this is where you get to set the amount of layers that you want. So this one is 4. The higher you go up, the more layers you're going to have, the more detail, the less obviously vice versa. So pretty much you pick what you want. Okay, 4 is good, awesome. If you want to reduce some of the pixelation, you could go to box blur and set it to 1 or 2. I don't need to do that here. You could also crop your image if you want. If you feel like it's too boxy or whatever, I could just drag this over it. And then right click outside, hit yes, boom. And then you save your picture onto whatever computer thing you have. And then you're good to go. Any questions, you can email me and let me know. Alright, I'm going to stop this.